Okay, triangular playground has an angle measures in a ratio of 3 to 5 to 2. What is the measure of the smallest angle? Well, let's just mentally, I'll show you what you're supposed to do, but I just want you to, kind of puzzle this out for a second. What if the angles actually measured 3 and 5 and 2? Okay, then 3 plus 5 plus 2 is 10. And that would mean that there is 10 degrees total. Okay, that's not enough to make the degrees of a triangle. A triangle has to have 180. So what if we took that ratio and we doubled it? I'm going to erase this for a second. Okay, what if we doubled that ratio? Because it's obviously been simplified, 3 to 5 to 2. What if we doubled it so that it was 6 to 10 to 4? That simplifies down to 3 to 5 to 2. Yeah, but if we were to then sum that up, 6 plus 10 plus 4, that only adds up to 20. That's not enough as well. Okay, so we need to keep scaling it up until we get a sum that's equal to 180. Well, think of it like this. Right now, the way that the given ratio is 3 to 5 to 2, since that only sums up to 10, okay, we need the sum to actually be 18 times bigger than it is. That means that each one of these values has to be 18 times bigger than it is. So that means we need to do 3 times 18 and 5 times 18 and 2 times 18 so that the whole sum gets 18 times bigger, because what's 18 times 10? 180. That's how many degrees are in the triangle. Okay? So 3 times 18 is 54. 5 times 18 is 90, and 2 times 18 is 36. Now we can have 3 angles that are 54, 90, and 36, and the ratio of those 3 simplifies down to the given ratio 3 to 5 to 2. So we've got then angles of 54 degrees, 90 degrees, and 36 degrees. And as you can see, 54 plus 90 plus 36 sums up to 180 degrees, what we need in the triangle. Okay. Now, which one do they want to know? They want the measure of the smallest angle, and the smallest angle of those 3 is 36. So we've got a 36 degrees is the smallest. Okay. That's your answer. So anytime you've got a ratio like this, okay, if you know what they need to add up to, and we know that they need to add up to 180, then you need to say 3 plus 5 plus 2 is well, that's 10. So really what you're saying then is 10x equals 180. And again, then dividing both sides by 10 is where I got my number 18 that we need to scale the whole thing up by. So that's what we did here then. We said that times 18, that times 18, that times 18. Okay, so if you add these together, because let me say it just one more way, the numbers themselves, right, there was some common factor that we divided by. We could say it was really 3x to, the ratio is 3x to 5x to 2x. That's another way of thinking about it, where the scale factor of whatever the x value is the number you need to multiply by to get the numbers. And we know then that the 3x plus the 5x plus the 2x, those angles, or 10x, needs to sum to 180. And that's what I did over here. So hopefully that makes sense.